I'm recording, Helen. Look at the baby. She's all set. Let's turn on. Well, we can't really see her. It's kind of hard. Ah, we got ready. It's so bright, huh, honey? So there you go. Yay! She's gonna do a snow angel.
Hey, Mom.
Oh, honey, she's been talking about it. Snow angel. There it is, Uncle Jeffy. And there's her bib Uncle Jeffy got. It's still snowing. Wow, overnight. It's like we got our white Christmas. Oh, there's a pretty morning dove. Wow, that's so cool, hon. Wow, this is snowman snow. It's pretty wet. Wow, this is like 4 inches. And it's still snowing. Honey, here, look at Papa. Let him get a picture. She's like, what? Look.
Do that again.
Are you going to make a big snowball? You can make a snowman. This is perfect snowman snow. It sticks together.
I can't, Mom. I can't.
Oh, it's okay. Well, then, we'll do it.
You want to do it right now, please?
Wow. And there hasn't been any snow. Well, there's just that little bit of snow her first snow day. So this is really the first time she's in the snow like this. But there hasn't been any. There was no snow at all. Yesterday. And then overnight. Yeah.
Yep, that's compact snow now.
Woo, honey.
I can't do snowman.
Yeah.
I can't. I can't do it. Mom, help me build a snowman, please.
You can build a
Please help me,
snowman.
Pop.
Well,
Well, I have to stop filming then. No, we will.
Papa needs to get a shovel. We're going to do that.
Pop, I want to shovel too, Pop.
I know you do, hon.
We have snow, yay!
Aw. I already had these mittens. I bought those mittens before before Grandma and Uncle.
Ellen.
Look, I get this one.
You did. I'll try to stay in your tracks to keep the fresh.
Oh, no. Not down the front of there.
Oh no. Helen. Oh man. Okay, don't put it down in your shirt. It's totally down her shirt. Okay.
In the snow? Sorry.
Don't worry. Okay. I need to get that out of her.
I'm in the snow.
Yay!
Look, I got a bigger one.
Yeah! Make a snowball.
I can't.
Yeah, you can, hon.
I can. I'm doing it.
Merry Christmas! It's Christmas Eve!
I
Look,
did
you
it.
got it!
Now I can make a snowman.
Something's okay. Keeps getting my phone with snowflakes. Wow, it is absolutely beautiful.
Where's my shovel?
There's a little bit of tiny bit of blue showing through
One for
the
you.
sky over there. I don't know if you can see it. But all of our trees back here, the arborvitae,
Here.
blocked with snow. And here's our Christmas tree. Here's our live Christmas tree.
John! You forgot your shovel. There's your shovel. There it is.
There it is.
That's 3 inches.
Oh, I got more packed down. It's like 4.
Oh, here.
Yeah,
Oh, we can get
4.
Yeah.
I guess we could check the weather report.
And a carrot with her nose pop.
Well, we got it. Watch yourself.
Is it fun?
Mhm.
Say thank you, Uncle Jeffy,
Thank you, Uncle Jeffy.
for your pink bib.
Thank you.
Your
for-
pants, your snow pants.
Thank you for my snow pants.
Okay, so.
Yeah. And then we put
Yeah.
it in.
Woo!
Woohoo. There. And
Look at the tree, honey.
wow.
Okay, baby. Oh, yeah, this is perfect snowman.
That's what I said. Yep.
Wow.
Perfect snowman snow.
Perfect.
Clean in the snow.
It just absolutely forms. Yeah.
Wow. This is amazing. Look at that.
I know, it's perfect.
There. Oops. Sorry, Pop.
You don't have to be sorry. Okay.
Sorry.
What, did she get it in your face?
No, see,
Oh.
I don't know why she's saying she's sorry.
I'm sorry.
You don't have to be sorry.
Flash spit on your dress.
Oh, you're fine.
Honey. Just don't get it in our faces.
Wow, look at that. That is amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, so we need to form the head.
With ice?
Well, snow.
Yeah,
So let's keep forming them. We need to build a bigger body, second body now. Some of the best snow I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here? Where? Our snowman.
Helen. You cute little baggy. I'm really up close and personal. Am I in the way?
Almost get it in my eyes.
Almost get it in my eyes. It's going to be more of a ghost. Than a snowman.
Oh, no. Half face, half face.
Mhm. Oh, I know. You carve it after.
Look at I found. Look.
Wow, that's a nice one.
Wow, honey.
Sorry.
It's okay.
And yeah, we're making a snowman.
There's more snow. Keep climbing them up.
It's kind of hard to get it where she's at. Boy, I can hardly see the screen. It's so bright out here.
Sorry.
Be sorry.
Oh, honey. She's always saying sorry for unnecessary sorry.
Huh.
Yeah, I can break off.
Watch out! Watch out for my snowball fight. Watch out!
Yeah, these make great snowballs. Boy, you can really deck somebody.
Whoa.
What are you doing, Pop?
Making snowballs.
Nice.
Nice. I'll make one. I can't do it. I'm doing it.
Yes, you are.
I'm doing it.
I'm gonna do it. Watch me.
This just fell on me. It's down over there. Hey, I got my Santa things on. Ho ho ho, and it's appropriate.
What? Where's
See?
the Santa thing?
Right here.
There they are. Well, this is kind of dirty.
This is kind of dirty.
Oh, what's
Hello.
right?
Right here, the Santa.
What's that thing?
No. Leave that stuff alone. I need that.
What's that stuff?
Honey, that needs to stay there. That's for the chain.
A snowman!
Yeah.
Hey, now you have your mittens on, your waterproof mittens. Now you won't get, not only you won't get your hands wet, but you won't get any splinters. When she was out here that day, she got a splinter, because she just had on the gloves, cotton gloves. And then she was brushing her hands on the fence like that.
And then I got a snowman.
She looks so cute. My blue smiley cat.
And the further snow to make it small.
Careful when you're walking up on the cement. I'm just saying careful when you walk up on the cement, the concrete slab.
Roll this and get it.
Doggy. Woo!
John, will you make it?
I'm trying to make her head, but every time you pack one way, I guess it's not really the best.
It's pretty darn good.
Yeah, but
Yeah, you can put it on and then carve it.
I'm probably thinking
We should move this. Can you move that out of the way? She's gonna trip on that.
more the snow ghost model.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
But that's okay. I mean, no, it can be carved.
I'm going to carve it. There. I'm carving it.
Mm-hmm.
We're cutting it. Like cutting it,
Yeah.
right?
You pack it. Good.
Like that?
Last longer.
We're at Miss Snow building a snowman.
Yeah.
Mhm.
You've always wanted to do, huh, Tiger?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I want to put this big block of ice
Okay.
right there.
Yeah,
Nice.
good job.
Yeah. It's a big block of snow coming.
Come here and say hi. Come and say hi, Grandma.
Everybody.
Hi, Grandma.
Everybody, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, say hi, Uncle Jeffy.
Hi, Uncle Jeffy.
Say Merry
We're building
Christmas.
a snowman.
We're building a snowman, she said.
Got a lymphoma.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm fine, Tiger.
Wow.
Look it over there. There's snow. everywhere.
There's snow everywhere.
It's kind of a warped snow area. You have to go get virgin snow.
Well, and you can lay and kind of like roll back, lay down where you can put all your arms out. How about over there?
Where?
Over there.
Okay.
Right here, honey. Helenitis. Right here. Ah. Here, I'll help you. I was going to help you get up out of it. No, here, move so we can see it.
Huh?
Oh, well. We'll get a...
Ma, these mittens are full.
They're what?
I don't like these mittens.
I
I
know.
want you to take them off.
Honey, you got to have one. Here, let's tighten them.
See, I'm coming.
Okay. Well, that's about it. We can't get... There's no smaller mittens.
Look, I stuck tan.
Oh, yeah. Here, put that back down, hon. That was the bird seed. Will you put that back down?
What's in there?
Or don't.
This is gonna be perfect for the snow. I'll leave it there.
Okay.
Ugh. There. I'll put snow on top.
You could take the snow off the tree. Right there. You can just bang it off the tree.
Bang it off.
Yeah. It's okay. Here, honey, come here. It's okay. Let me see your little face. Let me see your little face.
There's the snowman.
Is that a zipper, zap?
I don't need them on. They're too
Yeah,
wet.
you need.
Okay, here, I need to do, let me check
They're
this.
too wet, John.
Let me see.
They're too wet.
No.
Oh, your hands are gonna freeze. You can't do that.
They're too wet.
Okay. Honey, you gotta have your,
These on? I'm not.
you gotta put your, yeah, unfortunately, that's part of it.
Where's the other mitten? Where'd it go?
Okay.
You gotta put your thumb in here.
You got it? There it is.
Okay, honey, you cannot take these off.
Okay.
You'll freeze, Tiger.
Okay, do you have your thumb in there?
Yeah.
Alright.
At least your feet and leggies are dry, huh?
Yeah. That's right, feet and knees. Okay, now put your,
I put my thumb in there.
you got your thumb in?
Yeah.
Good.
I got mittens to keep my hands warm.
Yes. I know, and it can be annoying, but you've gotta keep these on because your hands, it will hurt bad to have them in the snow. Yay!
I'm carving it.
That's a lovely snowman you've made.
Here, honey. Get the snow off of the tree there.
Okay.
Yeah, you just kind of hit, you kind of shake the tree branch a little bit.
I'm carving it.
The tree, honey. Here, look, right this one right here.
Okay.
Just kind of shake it off.
Oh,
Look at the snowman we ever made. Oh no! I got the tree.
Oh no!
Aha! I
Yeah.
got an idea.
What?
Cover it with something. No!
Wow, it's like a big block.
yeah.
Here, come here. Here, that's too hard going up and down on there. So just get this thing over here, okay? Okay. Alright, I'm gonna cut this one. So
Okay.
say Merry Christmas,
Merry
Uncle Jeffy.
Christmas.
Say hi, Uncle Jeffy.
Hi, Uncle Jeffy.
Say hi, Aunt Tracy.
Hi, Aunt Tracy.
Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Say hi, Jude.
Hi, Jude.
Oh, say love you.
Love you.